Thiku imwe kuma mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi Nurdin Haji kuga wabici yake nirahitana muigana wa ciringi birioni 1.5 thuguri-ini ya gugu ya mugunda wa eka 13 uria thukuru cia Ruaraka High na drive-in primary ikoretwo ire. Riu kamiti ya senate igie kigina ni ikinyire thukuru-ini ici makienda macokio kuma kuri bodi ya thukuru uyu. Urugamiri wa thukuru ici kugira mwikirigiti wa bodi Joseph Dho kiuga thukuru wa Ruaraka High wandikithirio kugira irua ria ihinda kana allotment letter Dho waigeria ria kwigwatira taito kuringa ihiga ona thengia wa guthii honge-ini iri rũmbũyanagia na migunda mahinda kwa mahinda. Ohoma kiuga mubunge wa tene Adro Nguba niwe wa maheire mwerekera wa gwaka thukuru.
We have never had, and through our BO records, we have not traced any letter claiming about this land. And I have worked with the four of the principals. It's only the first one whom I did not work with. We learned through the media, not before then.
Murugamiri munene Francis Buru wa kambuni cia Afrison Export Limited na Herald Export ananyita ugeni mbere ya kamiti ino no agituma wakiri Nicholas Nyamai undu uria wacogire kamiti ino kumuhura faini ya nuthu milioni.
Mugunda uyu wari wa gwako macukuru. Kira twina thina nakio ni gutwika thirikari no igure mugunda wayo. Commission ya mugunda ina thina tondu ndiatwiririe tukire na documentation na nitwahe documentation cia kuonania ati mugunda uyu wari wa cukuru.
So there's a real threat that across the country most of the schools that were built, Harambee schools that were built on land that was donated by members of the public, when you get new generations of children and grandchildren, it is likely that they will claim a stake in the schools.
Muthenya wa ira mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi niarekirie mukode fegi makiria ya 10 iria ciakinyanirie gugu ino ni irahitanwo nacio guku akiuga milioni 250 imwe cia birioni 1.5 iria ciamukirirwo ni Afrison Limited ciithitwo bururi-ini wa Mauritius.
My conclusion is that there must be conspiracy between them and the public officials involved in corruption, because otherwise such withdrawals would not be occurring.
Kamiti ya kurana ugumani EACC kiuga ni mathite thirikari ya Mauritius ithuthurie fegi ona ekwirwo ria manyitire itemi nigo mahigurirwo thitango guku bururi-ini. Thengia wa kamiti cia bunge ukorwo ikigirira thogothogo iria gomeire mugunda uyu ri muheko wa thukuru wa Ruaraka secondary na drive-in uri moko-ini ma kamiti ya hurana ugumani ya EACC na wabici ya mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi magitanyaga kihoto kiao ni gigukinyanirio. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma Ruaraka njitagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.